Students, now the next concept is France abolishes monarchy and becomes republic. Just now I have spoken about constitutional monarchy. But now France will abolish that constitutional monarchy and declares France as republic. So why it was done and by whom it was done? Let us see. First is King did not obey the constitution of 1791. It means whatever decisions were taken by the people of third estate in the National Assembly, that was not agreed by monarch. First, in order to control the crowd, he just agreed for constitutional monarchy. But later he started opposing and again he started behaving like a dictator. Due to this, other people, like some political clubs were formed, some policies were made by the people started discussing, philosophers started guiding, like what should be the next step. So let us see the first point. Political clubs sprang up to discuss policies and plan their action. What is their aim now? To abolish monarchy. People of France want to abolish monarchy and they want to make France as a republic. Republic, complete rule of people. No 50-50 agreement now. Completely France should be considered as a republic country. For that they started discussing. And during this time only, I told you that some political clubs sprang up. So one among them was Jacobin Club. Jacobin Club grew in popularity. Who was the leader of this Jacobin Club? Maximilien Robespierre. Maximilien Robespierre was the leader of this Jacobin Club. He planned an insurrection. An insurrection was planned by Jacobins. What was it? Let us see. King's palace was stormed, royal guards massacred, and king held as hostage. What was done by Jacobin clubs? King's palace was stormed, royal guards massacred, and king held as hostage. And after that, assembly, that is National Assembly, voted to imprison royal family and held elections with men above 21 years enjoying voting rights. It means now both king and queen were arrested. Both king as well as queen were arrested, and then people decided to have a new election. And who can vote in that election? The men, only men, not women. Only men about 21 years, they can vote in this election. And later, by these Jacobin club members and leader, Louis XVI as well as his queen, Marie Antoinette, were executed. How was this Maximilien Robespierre? I'll speak in the next module. But I hope you are clear with it. France abolished monarchy and declared France as a republic country. For that, important role was played by political clubs, especially the Jacobin Club, its leader Maximilien Robespierre, and other philosophers guided, and an insurrection was planned by Jacobins, king was arrested, and people decided to have a new election system.